When you come to your browser, click on the website, they will ask you to log in. So you can log in. If you're already logged in, you can just choose sign in with Google. This is the DeepSeek interface. The kind of questions you ask any of these AI tools determines the kind of answer you get. Yes, you can simply just type any easy comment here, and then you also definitely get result. There's a way you present your questions or prompt that the result will be different from the next person. That is what you're going to be learning on this channel, how you can apply all of this to your work and then get the best out of it. Imagine two people prompting AI and they're getting two different results. So the importance of asking the right questions cannot be overemphasized. You see right from here on top of this, this is where you have the, if you click on this, you see it will take the slide away. When you click it, it brings it back. And then here you have a panel giving you a history of what you've been working on. So if I've been working on any project, it will appear here. Then here, if you click it, it will, let's say you're working on another project and then you want to start another one. If you click it, you start another new chart, leaving the one that I've been working on before. So when you come to this mode, you can switch between the instant mode and the expert mode. The instant mode gives you rapid results and is good for everyday use, all those quick questions and answer sessions that you just want to just prompt an AI is good for that kind of interaction. Then those simple questions, summaries, brainstorming is also good when you do it in instant chat. All those casual chats is also good here. Short and all direct answers to questions. This is where you get it done. Then when you come to expert mode, here it can be a little bit slower because it goes into thinking and trying to give you the best answer. So for complex reasoning and analysis, you want to select this. For tasks such as coding, research, planning, mathematics, problem solving, you can combine this with this and then you get what you want. But you can see that once I click on instant mode, you see these two are active for you to work with. And once I click on this, the smart search is gone. It's only leaving you with deep thinking, which is telling you that if you want something more detailed and structured and with higher insight, all those kind of deep analysis, you combine these two and then it will give you the best result, different from when you just leave it at instant mode and then you are just prompting. You know, that's the difference between these two. Then when you come here, when you choose the option of deep thinking, it's going to give you a step-by-step approach to answering whatever it is you're asking it to do for you. Let us just do a simple example now so that you can understand what I'm talking about. How to make tea, for example, and then we selected this option. So when we send it, exactly, you will see that it has broken it down into a step-by-step method. This is the most important thing you need to know here. So this is a step-by-step method on how to make a single cup of tea. So it has broken it down. Step 1, this is what you do, and then step 2, this is what you do. Let us now ask the same question now using SmartSearch. In SmartSearch, it will give you a detailed report of your question generally. So we are going to ask the same question here using SmartSearch. So you see that under this smart search feature, it gave just a quick, straight up response on how to make tea. If, for example, you're working with mathematics and then you want to see the step-by-step result, then it's best you use this option of DeepSeek. Then if it is, let's say, any random question, then I also advise that you use the smart search. DeepSeek, this option here, improves thinking. So if you want the AI to do more than just surface thinking, then you select this one by clicking on it, and then you deselect this side. It improves or brings the best out of the reasoning capabilities of this AI. Then if you want to do things like coding, mathematics, planning, problem solving, or some kind of complex analysis, this is also the feature that you're going to select. You make sure it's on this blue, and then this is on the white. By the time you do that, it's going to give you a more detailed and logical explanation to whatever question you have asked the AI. Then when it comes to this, when you select this one on this side, what this does for you is that it searches the web for information rapidly, the same way ChatGPT will do. This also does that for you, and then it gives you information from all those online sources rapidly. So if you are looking for things like current events, recent facts, web research, or some latest news, this is where you're also going to select. So when you come here and you see these two things, those are their uses and how you can achieve the best out of utilizing this tool. So now you know what these two things means. So you now think of the kind of work you do and which of these will give you the best results. So you select it and then you type in your questions here, and then you send it for you to give you the answer. In subsequent videos, I'll be showing you prompts, the kind of questions you ask with the specific situations that will give you the best result.